Hey guys, so today is day number 16 drinking the Amare Happy Juice. As you can see, I'm feeling pretty good. I got up, I've got a really pretty dress on, and I have on some makeup, and I look really good. I feel happy, I feel motivated, and I feel full of energy. And once again, I have lots of motivation to take care of my son. Once again, this stuff is amazing, and I'm going to continue to say that every single day that I do a video on this stuff. I'm going to keep saying it is amazing. You have to try it. If your gut health is at a balance, you should absolutely try Amare Happy Juice. This stuff is just great with how much motivation and energy that it gives you. I'm wearing my dress. I look like Betty Boopin. I don't know why I put that on today. I really wanted to wear it. It's more like a bar dress, but whatever. I don't go to bars anymore, but I just wanted to wear it because it makes me feel really pretty.